Hey, I'm Michel, pro staff here at LaserShot, 7-time World Speed Shooting Champion. And over the last year in 2019, I'm really excited to continue to win at the highest level, and I did so within the carry optics division within my sport. I'm currently undefeated in that division over the last 4 years since it started, but this last year was really an opportunity for me to launch a new product at Sig Sauer, the Romeo 3 Max Optic, which is a product that I've developed over the last couple of years. I'm really excited to bring it to market, but do it in a big way. And winning at the highest level with it shows that it's one of those products that are the premier product to have in the sport. During the season, I'm continuing to try to find ways to give back through training. I've been really excited to bring some law enforcement training around the country as well. Not just training, but also competitions to the law enforcement personnel. Getting those guys comfortable competing against their peers, not necessarily against the pro shooters out there, but against their peers. Get them out there competing because you find out a couple of things. You find out a lot about yourself and your gear, and you'd rather find out those issues that you may have with yourself and your gear in training and in competition rather than on the street, and then you can fix it before you have that encounter on the street. Looking forward into 2020, I'm going to continue to train. I'm going to continue to give back to law enforcement, federal law enforcement as well. But the biggest thing that I have going on personally for my goals is the World Shoot, the International Practical Shooting Confederation World Championship. We hold it every 3 years, and it's kind of like our action shooting Olympics. This time it just happens to be in Thailand. So we had it in the US once over the last 30 years. I was fortunate to win that one. In fact, I was the first US shooter to win it in the last 20 years. So it was a really big deal. But now looking forward, moving over to Thailand here next year, I really want to focus my efforts within the production optics division, which is something new and different. It's a brand new division, but it gives me an opportunity to highlight my sponsors the right way, and to win against more than 200 countries and more than 2,000 competitors would be a very big deal for me. But it starts now. It starts, putting in the work ahead of time through training, competing, whether it be training the body, training the mind, and continuing to find ways to get better each and every day, and set myself up for success in Thailand 2020. With LaserShot, we're bringing some new products to market. So some of the things that I'm excited about is our practical shooting program, our Steel Challenge program, some of the things that we've been doing for a while now. It's been going very well, but we wanted to bring something a little bit different. And I hold an event every year in Las Vegas, the Michel Pro Shooter Experience. And that's where guys from all around the world can come down, but it's a very VIP exclusive event where we only allow 24 people. And in fact, it fills up within minutes that we send registrations forms out. So because of that, I wanted to have an opportunity to get it to the masses and show people what it is to be a pro shooter. So LaserShot came out and filmed one of our events recently, and it looks amazing. The event that we have for you guys is the exact courses of fire that my guys ran through in the 2019 Pro Shooter Experience. And now you can do it on the LaserShot system. So it's what we call the Michel Adrenaline Package. So it's going to be part of the practical shooting program, but it's going to be courses of fire and stages that I designed and that you guys can train on and train effectively.